Hello everybody, this is Sarah from Soap School and welcome to today's show, our pantry soap making. In today's show we're going to be making cucumber and aloe vera soap. It is so hot at the moment, we had two choices. We decided we were either going to make something cooling and refreshing, which was the cucumber and aloe, or the other suggestion was naked soap making, and we really didn't think that you wanted that option. So let's look at the recipe itself. We're going to be using olive oil, palm oil, or you can use other types of solid fats for that, such as Crisco or Crisp and Dry. And we're also going to be using coconut oil. Now our water phase that will make up our sodium hydroxide or our caustic soda solution is going to be made up of part water and part pureed cucumber. Now we have pureed the cucumber in advance, and you will need to do this. You can't just use big lumps. And we're also using 10 grams of aloe vera gel. And of course, if you want to, you can decide to add a fragrance or an essential oil. So let's go right ahead and mix the lye solution into the oils. And remember, this is a reduced water amount because we are going to be adding the puree in as well. So that's just the water and the lye solution that's gone in there. And we're going to take this, we're not going to take this to a trace, we're going to add the cucumber before that. So we're just going to give it a bit of a mixing up. And we're now going to add in our cucumber puree. Give it a good hand stir, and then we'll carry on giving it a blitz. And at this point we can actually add in the aloe vera gel as well. Now we're using aloe vera gel. You can, if you have the plant in your kitchen or in your home, or even growing in your garden, you can absolutely cut open one of those beautiful leaves and scrape out that natural gel. There's something really special and cooling, even if it's just mentally, about using things like cucumber and aloe vera. And we've already got that to a gorgeous trace. Now if you wanted to add your fragrance or essential oils, of course you could, and this is when you would be adding them. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Do you know, there's something so special. Every time we pour a new batch of soap, a fresh batch, there's just something super special about wet soap. The other time that it's always gorgeous is when it comes out of that mould and you start cutting it. And there's just that excitement and expectation with each batch that you make. Now, when you are making cucumber puree, there's often some leftovers. So we are going to be sharing some tips with you on how you can use them in a couple of other ways. And the final thing now is just to texture the top surface. And we're just going to use a fork this week. So just gently drag over, and you notice that we took the soap to a thicker consistency, and that's going to help us to achieve this texturing on the top. If it's too runny, it's just going to all collapse back. And then the final thing is we just want to do a textured line down one side. You can pattern yours entirely how you want to. And doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Let me see if I can get you a close-up. So here we have a close-up of that beautiful textured top. And it's going to go under the blankets now for 24 hours. And then we'll come back and cut it and share that with you too. Now we do have those tips that we promised on what you can do with your leftovers. When you're pureeing your cucumber, whether you're juicing or whether you're pureeing, we like to use that puree or the juice and turn it into ice cubes. So we simply just fill, either spoon or pour. And this is actually just a little cactus shaped one that we found in the local store. And we use these in two different ways. One, they're absolutely delicious in your drinks, just the frozen cucumber, it refreshes it, especially on a hot day, they're lovely. And the other thing we do with these is to use them as a frozen treat for our dogs. They absolutely love cucumber, and we use it as a dieting tool for them because they just love it mixed into their food, but they also love it once it's frozen as a puree. So these might be something that you create for yourself, either to freshen your lemonade up or as a treat for your dogs. And this is something that my husband calls popsicles. I hope you've enjoyed sharing this project with us, and I do hope you get the chance to make your version of this soap too. I look forward to seeing you in another episode of Soap School's Pantry Soap Making. If you've enjoyed today's show, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell if you'd like a reminder every time that we offer something new to you. We love to share our soaps, and we really hope that you've enjoyed watching this and even making your own version. We'll see you soon in another Pantry Soap Making with Soap School. Bye bye for now.